Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Android app development for beginners. And in this video we will see how to use SeekBar with your Android activity. So what is a SeekBar? SeekBar is like a progress bar, or you can say it's an extension of progress bar with a thumb attached to it. Okay, so let's take an example how to use SeekBar, and let's see how to do it. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my palette and search for a widget called SeekBar. It's in the widgets, and here it is. You can just drag and drop into your activity. You can also change the property of the SeekBar so that its width it's adjusted to the width of your layout. So go to the property called layout underscore width or layout colon width, and instead of wrap content you can change this width layout width to fill parent, and it will fill the parent or the layout. Okay, now the second thing we are going to use here is a text box, and we are going to take a large text box, and in here we can show the progress of the SeekBar or what's happening in the SeekBar. Now let's go to our main activity.java, and let's write some code to our main activity.java file. So I'm going to go to my main activity.java. So now I'm going to declare two variables. One is SeekBar and other is text view. Okay. So now we have declared two variables. One is SeekBar and other is TextView. And let's declare a method which we can call in our onCreate method. So it will be public void SeekBar, for example, and let's write some code inside this method. And first of all, we are going to cast our SeekBar and TextView variables. So let's cast them. So now our casting is done, and now we will add the listener to this SeekBar. But let's first set some text on our text view so that it can print the progress of the SeekBar. So text view dot set text, and inside we can just set some text. For example, covered some amount of SeekBar or something like this, plus the SeekBar variable, and we will check the progress. So get progress of the SeekBar. So let's check the progress of the SeekBar, and then we will show this progress against the maximum value the SeekBar can show, right? So let's show it against the maximum value. So plus SeekBar dot get max. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to take our SeekBar and add a listener to this SeekBar. So take the SeekBar dot set SeekBar change listener, and in here we will add a new SeekBar change listener. So new on SeekBar change listener, and you will notice that whenever you press enter, it adds three methods to your on SeekBar change listener. One is on progress change, other is on start tracking touch, and third is on stop tracking touch. So this one first is for tracking the progress of your SeekBar, second is tracking the start of your SeekBar, and third one is for tracking the stop of your SeekBar. Okay, so now what we are going to do is in this set on click change SeekBar listener, let's create a variable int progress value, for example, and this we are going to use to store the progress of this SeekBar. Now we are going to go into this method called onProgressChange method, and in here you can see a variable called progress, and this will give you the progress of the SeekBar. So we will assign this progress to our user defined variable, which is progress value. So progress is equal to progress. Okay, and now we will assign this progress to the text view also. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to copy the same text which we have set on the text view. But let's see what is this error. This error, when we hover over this progress underscore value, it says the variable progress value is accessed from the inner class. That means you should define this inside your SeekBar method in here, right? Or better, you can do it even inside here. Okay, and then what we are going to do is we will copy this text view.setText and paste it here, and instead of this get progress, we will just pass this progress variable here. Okay, so this will show us the progress of our SeekBar in the text view. Okay, the same we are going to do in the stop tracking touch, because whenever the SeekBar process or SeekBar drag is stopped, we also want to show this value on the text box. But this is stored in this progress value, which is a global variable for these three methods. So change it to the progress value, and then we can also show some text message using toast. Okay, so we will use toast dot make text, which takes three arguments. First is your class name or your context, so main activity dot this. Second is the message, for example SeekBar in progress. Okay, and let's add the third argument, toast dot length long, and we will show this, right? The same messages we can add to our other two method here. One is for start tracking, so in here SeekBar we can say start tracking or SeekBar in start tracking, and in here we will just add same toast or message, and we will say SeekBar in stop tracking. Okay, now I think our method is done, so we just need to call this method inside our onCreate method in here, and we just need to run our program. So let's run the program. So now our program is running, and you can see initial status of our SeekBar is 0, and the maximum value of the SeekBar is 100, right? So because it's on the top left end of the SeekBar, that's why our progress is 0 right now against 100. Now let's try to drag this thumb towards right, and let's see what happens. So I drag it, and you can see it changes this value which is covered, and it changes the message or toast in here, right? So the process changes and the message here also changes, right? You can see the process changes, and here the message according to the change of the SeekBar appears, right? So in this way you can track the process of SeekBar using get process of the get process method of SeekBar and the process method. And that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and